Alrighty, now another Hunter X-Core timer tutorial with your host Damon here in New York City, Manhattan. I just found a cool new feature. If you've seen my other videos, it's turn the dial and push the buttons and program and you'll figure out lots of things, but this is one you might not know about. If it's been raining and the soil's really wet and puddling and you want to slow down the water and not water for a few days. This is the garden here. You probably are curious about what does a Manhattan garden look like. Well, here's one of them on the ground level. Going all the way back and to the air conditioner, but here's the timing situation. If it's raining and you put the water sensor in a weird place that's against the building, I didn't do that, where it's going to not actually get enough rain to trip the sensor, then sometimes you may want to do a rain delay where it will default back to the automatic watering program, which usually you're on run unless you're in off, and then it's off. But if you plus, you can see it will add a day every time you plus, 4 days, 5 days, so it'll delay for up to a week, and then it'll go back to, oh no, it won't go any further. It only goes up to 7. It won't go around again to 1. So 7 days, so you can delay for an entire week where it won't water. You got to turn it to run though, or it'll just be off. But so it'll say off and flash 7, or no, 7 will be solid. Flashing is when you're setting, solid is when it's set. So now it's set for 7 days off, and then after 7 days it'll default to the your regularly scheduled programming. All right, thanks for joining. Enjoy. Check out my other videos, and see you around the garden.